Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I had shown you to install the Node.js in Windows system, and also we had created a React app and run that app in previous video. In this video, I will explain what is JSX and also will show you a React application with using the JSX and without using the JSX. Basically, JSX in React is a JavaScript XML. XML is a syntax extension for JavaScript used in React. It allows you to create HTML-like code with JavaScript. Basically, it provides more readable, better integration and component based. If we are using the JSX, if we are not using the JSX, then we will need to write the lot of code in React. So let's go to our CMD and we will create a React project. So I have already opened the CMD and I I I have also created a project folder React project you can see in my screen. So let's create a new project for JSX. So there is a command which we need to create a React app. So I'm typing the command npx create React app and passing the project's name. So I'm going to pass the project name as a JSX example. Now entering it, it is going to create the project. It will take some times after creation has been done of this project. Then we will open these projects in our Visual Studio Code. Let's wait until projects has not been created. Now you can see it is created the project. So I'm going to our projects by using the cd command. You can see in the screen there is a suggestion provided by the React cd and projects name. So I'm going to the projects folder which is just created. So I am putting the cd space JSX hyphen example. Enter it. Now I am inside the our created projects. Now I'm going to run these projects by using npm start command. Now let's wait until this project is not running properly. Now it is started. It is taking some times. Yeah. Now it is started. You can see in the screen. So I'm going to open these projects in our Visual Studio Code. You can see that is already appear in the VS Code because previously I was open the projects. So here you can see I'm going to SRC folder structure. In the SRC folder structure, I'm going to index.js file. In the index.js file is contain the app. So I'm going to app component. This is the main component. So going to app component, you can see here This code is written in JSX. So I'm going to remove this code and we use the we use the we use the code without using JSX. So I'm removing this. Now I'm going to import the React first one because that is required. React from React. Now we need to create a element. So I'm going to use constant element here React dot create element. So here we are going to pass the information. Here also we are going to return the element. Here I am passing the command as a h1. H1 means is a heading h1 tag. So I am going to pass the class name as well. Class name. In the class name we are passing the anything like JSX. Now putting the comma and putting the text which this will appear in the screen. So I am entering the this is the text which doesn't use the JSX extension in React. Saving this one. Now you can go to the screen. You will see this is appear like that. So if you are writing the code in React without using the JSX, then you need to write lot of code and it is not readable and not clear the code. So like that if you are defining the another another things like nested element without using the JSX, then you we need to use another command in here like that. We need to pass div in here. Just 1 minute. We are commenting these things and we will use next one. I'm commenting this one. Now going to create React dot create element in here. We are going to pass div as we are passing in HTML. Now we are going to pass another element create react dot create element. In here we are going to pass h1 tag comma null comma this is the header. This is the header without used JSX. Now we can also create another element as well without using JSX. Now we are going to define null. This is the paragraph paragraph without using JSX. I'm going to save it and run it. Going to screen, website, it is giving okay. There is a spelling mistake. So I am going to remove one one L. Now you can see here all the text is appear in the screen, and we have used nested element without using JSX. You can also provide the style as well. So I'm going to pass the style tag in here, style, comma, here we are going to pass background, we are going to pass color as a red. Now saving this one and going to screen. You can see this this text color also changed. So I'm going to define one another things in here. React like React create element. In here we are going to pass button. Now we are going to pass null. Here click me. We are going to define the text as a click me. I'm going to screen. You can see this is our button appear in the screen. So in this button we can also define the alert like that. So I'm going to remove in null and defining the on click function. In here we are defining the on-click function. On-click function. Okay, just a minute. Colon. Here defining the alert, and in this alert we are passing one text. This is alert for click me. This is alert for click me. Now going to save it and going to browser. After clicking the click button, you will see that text which is defined in the alert alert box. So going to click this one. Just 1 minute. Click this one. It is not appear. Why? Just 1 minute. I am going to alert. This is alert and this is button and on click. That is fine. Okay. Just 1 minute. We need to pass. I think capital. Yeah. Now it is appear in the screen. That alert is showing in the screen. So lot of things we need to write if we are not using JSX. You can see in the screen. Now we are going to use JSX in the React. If we are using the JSX, then no need to write lot of code as you see in the screen. I'm going to comment this one and defining the element tag. In here we are going to define the h1 tag and closing the h1 tag. In this tag I am going to define some text like this is the header without with using JSX. Now we are also style these text, this one background color as a red. Now saving this one and going to the screen, you can see here that is appear. This is the easy step which just use the tag and write the code. This is a human readable code. User can understand what is written. If we are not using JSX, then it will complicated to understand the code. You can see in below, which is define the elements tag without using the JSX. So in this video, I have shown you the real examples of using the JSX and without using the JSX. So if you watch my video and like to my video, so subscribe my channel for further update. Thank you for watching my video.